How do you rotate your video in CapCut? Let's say you have your video here and you're thinking to yourself, how the heck do I do it? I'm not sure where to go. Well, the great thing about CapCut is that it's pretty straightforward. And there's two ways to do it. One way is to hover over here and you'll see this is the rotate icon. And you could just click and rotate. The issue is that it's only making 90-degree turns. And you really can't control much. Then you have this. So when you have a video, you will see this icon. You could click and you could rotate. And as you can see, it just shows the rotations. So the reason the degrees are increasing is because I'm moving in one direction. But if I were to go counterclockwise, you see it goes to the negatives. But you're still using the same rotations of, 0 to 360 degrees. And this way, this is the last way, is to go to video, position, size, and click rotate. And then here, you could rotate. And the great thing is you could also use keyframes if you wanted to rotate it throughout the video.